Two AK-47 assault rifles seized by cops in the corporate area.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Two AK-47 assault rifles were seized by the police in St. Andrew on Thursday afternoon, October 25th. Reports from the police's Corporate Communications Unit (CCU) is that a targeted raid was conducted by members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force on Thursday between 11:26 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. along Mullines Road in St. Andrew. On reaching a section of the community known as Akiwak, the lawmen carried out searches on different premises. The search resulted in the discovery and seizure of the two AK-47 rifles, along with two empty magazines which were wrapped in a plastic bag. Unconfirmed reports suggest that 10 persons were taken into custody in connection with the discovery. Investigations are ongoing.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.